Hey, I'm Justin with CarryonUSA.com, and today we're going to show you how to repair the tiller. You got 4 or 5 screws down here. Just 4-way. We're going to take these out. What we're looking for is this. We're going to plug this in. So we're just going to disconnect these just to give them some room. This doesn't have to be done, but everything's color coded. Just plug right back in. That's your board. And this wire is what's running down, and it's connected right here. All right. So he'll just loosen this, and then you don't have to do this once it's not broken, but he'll just loosen this, and he'll show him what you would do if it was messed up.
And just pull this, and then just pull the slack out and tighten it up.
So just pull the slack out and tighten it up, and then tighten that bolt up, and then put the thing back on, and you're done.